In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error that says validation of the PDF file failed. This is a common issue that happens when you try to upload a document into DocuSign and it simply refuses to accept the file. It can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to send contracts or important documents quickly. The good news is that this error is usually caused by formatting, security settings, or file size problems, and you can fix it in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through 4 simple methods step by step so you can get your document uploaded without any issues. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first method is to print the document to PDF. Even if your file is already a PDF, this step can clean up hidden formatting issues that DocuSign doesn't like. Open the PDF on your computer using a browser or a PDF reader. Then click on File and choose Print. Instead of selecting your physical printer, choose the option that says Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. On a Mac, you'll click the PDF button in the bottom left and select Save as PDF. Save this newly created file to your desktop with a slightly different name so you can identify it easily. What this does is recreate the PDF structure from scratch, removing embedded elements or corrupt metadata that may be triggering the validation error. Once saved, try uploading this new file into DocuSign again. In many cases, this step alone solves the problem. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to check is whether the PDF has password protection or security restrictions. DocuSign will often reject files that have editing restrictions or encryption enabled. To fix this, you can remove password protection using a tool like I Love PDF. Go to the I Love PDF website and select the Unlock PDF tool. Upload your file and, if prompted, enter the password to unlock it. Then download the unlocked version of the document. Make sure you save this new version separately so you don't confuse it with the original file. After removing the password protection, try uploading the unlocked PDF back into DocuSign. If security settings were the issue, this should resolve the validation error immediately. The third method is to export the PDF to Word and then convert it back to PDF. This is especially helpful if the file was created using older software or contains complex formatting. Open the PDF in Microsoft Word. Word will usually prompt you to convert the PDF into an editable document. Click OK and allow it to convert. Once the document opens, review it quickly to ensure the formatting looks correct. Then click File, choose Save As, and select PDF as the file type. Save this newly exported PDF to your computer. This process rebuilds the document structure entirely, which can eliminate hidden compatibility problems that DocuSign flags during validation. Finally, check the file size of your document. DocuSign has file size limits, and if your PDF is too large, it may fail validation. Right-click the file, select Properties on Windows or Get Info on Mac, and check the size. If it's very large, you can compress it using a PDF compression tool like I Love PDF or Adobe's online compressor. Upload the compressed version and test it again in DocuSign. And that's it. By printing to PDF, removing password protection, converting to Word and back, and checking the file size, you can fix the DocuSign validation of the PDF file failed error quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.